We've all experienced it. After days of unbearable heat, the first rainfall arrives, the air suddenly feels fresher. The earthy smell fills the atmosphere, and somehow, your mood improves. But is it just your imagination? Science says no. Rain doesn't just cool the temperature. It can actually affect your brain, your breathing, your memories, and even your stress levels. Here's why. One of the biggest reasons people feel happier after rain is because of negative air ions. When raindrops collide with each other or hit the ground, they release tiny charged oxygen molecules called negative ions. Scientists believe these ions may increase serotonin, the feel-good brain chemical, improve mood, reduce stress, increase relaxation, improve mental alertness. Some studies even found that people suffering from seasonal affective disorder, SAD, experienced noticeable mood improvements after exposure to high levels of negative ions. Although researchers are still studying exactly how this works, the evidence suggests that rainy environments naturally produce many of these beneficial ions. Rain acts like nature's air purifier. As raindrops fall, they attract dust, pollution, smoke particles, allergens, bacteria. These particles stick to the raindrops and are pulled to the ground, leaving behind cleaner, fresher air. Cleaner air means easier breathing, less irritation for allergy sufferers, lower exposure to harmful pollutants, potentially better mental well-being. That's why the air often feels incredibly fresh after a storm. That unforgettable earthy smell after rain has a name: petrichor. It forms when rain releases plant oils, soil compounds, bacteria produce geosmin, small amounts of ozone. Humans are incredibly sensitive to this scent. Researchers believe our ancestors may have evolved to associate the smell of rain with fresh water, safety, and survival. Even more fascinating, smell is directly connected to the brain's emotional center, the amygdala. That's why one rainy afternoon can instantly transport you back to childhood memories, family vacations, or special moments from years ago. Rain doesn't just smell calming, it sounds calming too. The steady rhythm of rainfall helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of the body responsible for rest and recovery. Listening to rain has been linked to lower cortisol, stress hormone, reduced heart rate, better sleep, less anxiety, improved focus. Gentle rainfall, especially around 40 to 50 decibels, has been shown to significantly reduce stress levels. This explains why rain sounds are among the most popular sleep and meditation tracks worldwide. Rain naturally slows everything down. People tend to pause their routines, watch the rain, listen more carefully, take deep breaths, notice nature. This creates a mindfulness effect that helps people feel more connected to the present moment. Many psychologists believe this contributes to the calming experience people often describe during rainy weather. While many studies support the benefits of rain, researchers admit that some mechanisms, especially how negative ions affect the brain, are not yet fully understood. More research is still needed. However, the combined effects of cooler temperatures, cleaner air, relaxing sounds, pleasant natural scents, reduced pollution, increased mindfulness make a strong scientific case for why so many people feel happier after it rains. Rain is far more than just weather. It refreshes the air, awakens memories, calms the mind, and may even give your brain a natural mood boost. So the next time dark clouds roll in, don't rush to complain. Open a window. Take a deep breath. Listen to the rainfall. Nature might be giving your mind exactly what it needs.